Load your family into the 2020 Subaru Forester. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and power windows. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Subaru also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.